ahead in Canva and we're gonna type ebook template pages. We're looking for Canva templates. Okay, so as you guys can see here, we have all of these ebook templates. You just have to select one that you want to use. If you don't like these templates, head over to Etsy and find yourself a template that you like. Etsy has all the trending templates. Okay, so let's say we're gonna use this one here that says becoming a content creator, which I actually have books about. So we are gonna go to customize this template. This is gonna be a very easy, simple ebook I'm showing you guys how to create from scratch. Okay, so what you want to do, you gotta have Canva Pro. Don't be cheap, you guys. Canva is literally the only app that you really need because you can edit YouTube videos, you could do TikToks, you could do like promotion for your business. You could literally do everything on Canva. So definitely invest in Canva Pro. So we're gonna go ahead and change this picture here because we don't know who this girl is. I mean, because it's a content creator book, that makes sense. It could be anybody on the cover as long as they appear to look like a content creator or influencer. So we are going to change this out. So I'm gonna use the example of creating a book for someone who is looking to buy a home as a first-time home buyer. So as you guys can see here, I went over to ChatGPT. So I personally do not use ChatGPT to create ebooks, but just in case you guys want to do this, feel free to do this. So you're gonna head over to ChatGPT. As you guys can see, I have everything planned out. So the first thing I did was ask it, give me a title for an ebook about how to purchase a home as a first-time home buyer. So that was one title it gave me, and I just told it to give me 5 more titles. From these 5 titles, you are going to pick which one you want to use. Your first time home, a step-by-step guide for first time home buyers. I'm just gonna go with the first one to go ahead and copy and paste that. And then we're going to ask ChatGPT to create the form work for this ebook. This is going to plan out your ebook, you guys. As you guys can see, the title is here. Title, First Time Home Buyer's Guide, Navigating Your Journey to Home Ownership. So it's going to include everything for you. The introduction, why to buy this guide, and I'm not going to go through every step, but as you guys can see here, it even has the chapters and then it has the subcategories inside of each chapter. So when you're on the part that you want to actually create the framework, like what it's going to say according to each title, you would simply just copy the whole chapter. I'm going to copy that. And then you're going to put, help me to create 250 words on each subject in this chapter. And this is literally going to do everything for you, you guys. If you want to change the way the book sounds, you can also do that. You can say revise this to be in a certain tone or whatever, but you guys get the point. So let's go back to the title of the ebook, and we're going to copy this and we're going to edit this one. I'm going to paste this here and I'm just going to drag that out so that it correctly fits because we want everything to fit in here perfectly. So, and we're just going to paste this in there. And of course we have to drag this down to make it a bit smaller because everything has to fit in here perfectly. I don't think I would leave these texts here on the side, so I'm going to delete it. It's completely up to you if you guys want to leave that, but I just don't want to leave it. So this would be this, and then you would put whatever you want to say there, whatever you want to say here. You could put your name there, or I would put like Be Without Being Posh. Because this is a first time home buyer ebook, we're going to go ahead and click this picture. And we're going to change this picture. So we're going to go to Elements. And we're going to type in home. And then we're going to make sure we go to Photos. So we're going to find a nice picture of a house. I don't know. So that would be it. If you're going to change the color, you would select the background and you could change the color, white, black, blue, whatever you want. I'm just going to change this one color for now, but if you want to change all the page colors, you would click right here, change all. Gray if you want. I actually like that cream color on there. You would continue to go here and you want to change the chapters, so you guys can go back to ChatGPT. Chapter 1 would be understanding home ownership. We're gonna paste that. And that's gonna be chapter 1. And then you go back and then you put chapter 2, chapter 3, blah, blah, blah. You guys get the point. Let me finish this part. Okay, so as you guys can see, we have the table of contents here. You just copy and paste. You simply copy and paste. And for this little description here, you can just tell ChatGPT to summarize each chapter in short terms, and they're gonna come up with a short description that you guys can copy and paste in here. So as you guys can see, for this template, they actually have different type of themes for the table of contents. Whichever one you're going to keep, you keep. If you're going to delete it, you just go ahead and press delete. You obviously don't want 2 of them, so just delete that extra page. So here you can scroll down, and then this is kind of like a about me. Hey, I'm Veronica, and then you would do like a short description about yourself and why you feel like you are able to write this book. I'm not Olivia. That's Olivia, maybe. I don't know. This was made on Canva. So whatever, you would put your profile picture there, you put your name there, and you could delete this because that's really unnecessary. And then you just continue and just change the colors if you want. Never forget, on Canva, you guys, they have each page marked with your name. So you have to make sure you are changing that. You guys, do not leave that as someone else's name because it's just weird. So then we have this super cool welcome to the course page. I actually really like this page. For a free template, like, this is insane because it's really customized. It's not just a blank paper. Like, I don't know about you guys, but I don't like my ebooks to be blank. So you guys would obviously go into Canva. Welcome to the course. Create a quick welcome to the course page, and it's literally going to create everything for you, and you just copy and paste and you add what you need to. You obviously want the book to seem like it's yours, so don't just copy. You have to put your personal touch to it. So you would copy this. Congratulations on the first step taken, blah blah blah. So we're gonna take this, and I'm going to copy this to put it here, paste, just like that. And then the other things we can put here on the side. Super easy. You're gonna just literally copy and paste, you guys. So next, like I said, this book is built very good. So inspiration here, embrace the world around you. So you want to include a inspirational quote. Create a quote for first time home buyers. Paste that in there, and we are going to shorten this to make sure it fits. Okay, so this is what that looks like. Like I said, we're gonna go ahead and change this image because she is not a house. So we're gonna go back to homes and make sure again you go into photos, and I'm gonna try to use this picture, which I think is super cute. And I'll just drop the picture there, and then you go inspiration. That's your inspiration page. Chapter. So obviously for this, you would do each individual chapter. This page is for chapter number 1. So you would do chapter number 1. You put the chapter title here, and let's do it. You can leave that like that. What you will learn, you can actually put a few things you would learn in this chapter if you wanted to. You don't have to. Remember, again, always change this. So this is where you go back to ChatGPT. You're gonna go to where you're telling it to go further in depth about each chapter and each subcategory in the chapter. So as you guys can see here, we have a whole thing written for determining what you can afford. So you would literally just go in and copy this, copy, and then we're going to go to the ebook, and we're going to be pasting this in there. This would be one chapter, chapter 1, and then you would do the pages accordingly. I love how this template also has like actions, so you can do the chapters, actions of certain things inside of chapters, so you guys have that option. I think this is so freaking cool, like this entire template. And that's literally how you build a ebook from scratch. I don't know why people make it seem like it's super complicated or hard or expensive to build a ebook from scratch. I don't want you guys out here making excuses. Look, this literally comes with notes. That's absolutely insane. You don't even have to buy it from Etsy. You can just use a free freaking template from Canva. Mind blowing, I know, right? And that, you guys, is how you build a ebook from scratch for free using this video. So you guys literally have no excuse on as to why you cannot create a digital product. Create a digital product with the knowledge that you have, even if you're using ChatGPT. I like to use the knowledge I have in my experience because everyone's experience is different. So go ahead and use Canva and create a digital product. Go online, start creating content to market your digital product. I have videos showing you guys exactly how to market your digital products.